Today is Monday, February 14th of 2022, and I just want to do a quick ride along of the couple hours. As I was coming into Lexington, why it's not showing me? At 8:42, Uber Eats gave me a order from Starbucks, 7.5 miles for $7.82. Picked it up, dropped it off. Those are actually my rating. Yeah, then this way. Then, as I came back, they gave me another order for $5. Trying to stay busy, so took it. Then they gave me another offer. I don't want to go there. So then they gave me another offer of $7.98 for 4.8 miles. All three were Starbucks, I believe. Then around 10:22, I got a stack order with the Uber Apple Store. Got that completed. Then DOORDAsh gave me a stack for $13.50. Completed those. As you guys can see that $13.50 turned into $14, so one of them had a hidden tip. DoorDash had a $2 peak at the time. Haven't seen peaks quite a while. Yesterday was peaking here in Lexington. I didn't dash, and today it peaked again. Then they were giving me a lot of orders while I was on Uber, on this order right here, or this one right here. But eventually, no, this takes me in the middle of nowhere. Doesn't look like the DoorDash has a lot of drivers today, and a lot of flour delivery. Last time I did flour delivery from this Kroger, I spilled water all over the seat because they filled it to the rim. So then I took the Mustatra Trap order. I had it to come back empty, which didn't. Then they got the Red Robin, which is a 12.38 for $6.25. They added a Panera bread for $6. The Red Robin turned into $15.51. The add-on was $7. Then Crackle Barrel for $10.25, which I stacked it with Bob Evans for $10.25. Problem is with this Crackle Barrel, they forgot to give me coffee, and I didn't check the receipt, so I'm not sure if customer probably going to pull the tip. I don't know. We'll see. Not enough of time yet. So $10.65. Then I stacked it out with Bob Evans for $10.25. Then when I got to drop those off Nicholsville, the Uber gave me $8.98. Kroger flowers. No. So $8.98. And that's my final delivery. If we look at that, if everybody pays out like agreed upon, that should be $114 as of right now. Let's see if we can get a couple more deliveries. I'll try to come back and maybe do more recordings and drop this off tonight. But so far Monday been good. Lately these flowers orders coming in, and there'll be something nearby, I probably would take it, but they're paying about $7, between $6 and $7 per those flower deliveries. Okay, this one can't. Man, it's gonna take me out of a place where I don't want to go, but it's one bouquet, $8. Let's try this one. So, got another 5.6 miles for $8. Let's see how this thing gonna play out.
Head northwest.
I will be back. Okay, trying second time. Happy Valentine to every single one of you guys. Here's my Valentine delivery to a customer. I want to say Valentine to every single one of you. Don't forget to say that you love your loved one. And thank you for watching my videos, supporting the channel. And I will be back with more deliveries. Man, this floral delivery took me forever. But I got it delivered, nobody home, left it at the door, took a picture. Those boxes from that store, they're not holding that vase at all. Thanks God I dropped it in my catering bag, inside a hot bag and a catering bag. So, you know, it stayed safe. But I see some of these drivers are just throwing it behind the seat on the floor. With any churn, that thing falls. That box not holding it at all. Very disappointed how they structure that. How they structure that for delivery. So, but I guess if you guys out, you probably got those floral deliveries, and hopefully in your place, maybe they're better. Okay, I took this order, 12.5 miles for $17.25. If I'm not mistaken, that's the maximum DoorDash will show is $17.25. That means there's possibly a hidden tip on the order. If we go to the cheat sheet, so I had 13 maximum was $17.75. So that's where we stand right now. So we'll see how it all plays out. I am heading out to get that picked up. Okay, then I just accepted a Chick-fil-A order, but then I canceled it because it would not make it worthwhile. This right here is $7.50. When I realized the traffic is heavy in that area, that means there's probably also heavy amount of people going through the drive-thru and getting into the Chick-fil-A. It's not easy down there. So I canceled it, and then I got this one. 2 orders for $16, going directions that I would like it to go. So
make a left turn on Maple Leaf Drive.
So I rather do that. And with completing that $16, those 2 orders will get me to $163 for the day. If it is, and it's just only 4:30, so I should be done by 5. That's 6, 7, 8, 9. That gives me 4 more hours. That's gonna be a really good night. I think I should be able to get it to 250 tonight. I have gotten a Grubhub order. It was not worth taking as well, so I declined. Looking for some good serious Grubhub orders as well. Okay, I got this order, showed up at the restaurant. They said it's gonna be 30 minutes. I waited on a little, and then Grubhub came up with this order of $21.81 for 14.7 miles. So I'm canceling it, canceling that other order because it's going in a different direction, and picking this order up. So $21.81. So that's gonna put me at $184 for today. Yes, a little driving forth and back.
27 south for 4 miles.
Especially right now at the rush hour. So heading to Nichols, it's going to be quite heavy traffic, but I think it's going to be okay. By the way, just had a Panera Bread Chipotle. What's the name of that food? Chipotle chicken avocado. So just actually went through drive-through and just picked it up before they issued me that order from a Mexican for $11. So, it's a good to actually get something in yourself. I did before I leave home at 7. I made myself a sandwich, so I wasn't really hungry. But you know, it is almost 6 o'clock, and it was nice to have something in. Okay, DoorDash gave me this order. I took it, suspecting there to be a good tip. You know, it's 3.6 miles. Oh, guy gave me only $4.76. So yeah, there was a tip. What? It's like what, 50 cents? Of a hidden tip. Wow. Okay, speed limit 35. I'm going back, see if I can get anything else. I did forgot to remove that Chick-fil-A that I canceled. So my amount is $186.75 for today. So I still need $13.25, I guess, to hit my target. Let's see if I can do that, so I can get this video uploaded to you guys. You guys can check it out. Okay, sometime DoorDash is tripping. 13.2 miles, $22.50. That's definitely should be, you know, a nice order, and I don't complain. But $22.50 should be a good hidden tip on it as well. I will be back. I'm going to go pick that order up, but that did throw me over $209. There is a $2 peak, so it's more like $20.50. So let's see what happens. Okay, we got another Grubhub offer that I took. It is 14.6 miles, pretty much another Dairy Queen, which their tablet is not working. And pretty much almost the same place in Lexington drop-off, so another $20.89. That's gonna bring us, when we complete this DoorDash order and get that Grubhub order, that's gonna bring us to $230. So at one point I kind of thought maybe we're not gonna get that ourselves to $250 today, but it looks like we will. So about to see how it all goes. Okay, Grubhub gave me, I just completed that one, and they gave me another one, 9.8 miles for $8.32. I was planning on heading home, going south, so they gave me something on my way home. So great. Take it, get it done, and start heading home. That's gonna put me at 238, which is, I need 11:54 to hit 250, but I'm not going to wait too much to get it done. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, I just picked up that check order for Grubhub, and on my way to Nicholasville. As I picked that order up and confirmed that I got the order, Grubhub sends me another Dairy Queen, which, if you guys see, it's going not exactly where I want it, but oh well. I'm not sure if there's a way for me to continue going home, or I'll have to come back to Nicholasville from there. But that will put me at 249.08. That means I'm about $1 short of 250. But I'll tell you guys one thing, I am not going to be coming back all the way into Nicholasville. I'll try to see if I can figure out a way how to get a ride from there. But I'll say that's going to take me probably about an hour to complete those deliveries, maybe less. Maybe 30 minutes, depends on everything. And I'll start heading home and finalize this video and have it uploaded. Okay, we completed the delivery. It is 8:47. Now I have 40 minutes, 32 miles, 40 minutes to go home. So, good night, everyone. You know, do what you can to be successful. Take care.